What's up, guys? This is part 1 of my Marble Blast Gold shortcuts tutorial on the beginner. So what you do, this first level is gyrocopter. You just kind of double jump like that. You can make it to the other side. Pretty sweet. That works for like the super bounce level also. This one. And I have 3 created levels. Actually you can do this one, Winding Road.
Set, go!
Hop up there, hop, hop, hop. Get the super jump, go back down, jump, and then use the power up. You got it. Pretty sweet, huh, isn't it? You wish you would have thought of that. Alright, so thanks for watching part 1. Be sure to watch part 2, the intermediate. And once you're done watching part 2, watch part 3. Thanks for watching. Comment, sweet. Yo, what's up? This is my shortcuts video for intermediate. Okie dokie. Here we go. I'll start off with hoops. So what you do, these little yellow platforms, you can just run, jump on those, pretty easy. But these over here, you can't get to those, so you just gotta put the ball in the hoop. So then, next level. Fork in the road. This one's really easy. I'm upstairs. I know, she saw me. Hop, skip, jump, I think the name is, but oh well. Jump, up here. Crap, redo, sorry about that. That was a blooper. Okay, jump, hit the little edge thing, use the power up. Ooh, go over here, Just make your way all the way over there. And then you got it. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Yeah, you think it is awesome. This one's probably my favorite level on the whole game. It's basically what you do. Hop up here. Bam. Crap, my bad. Redo. Jump down there. It's pretty sweet. Oh, no. Serious. What the? Blooper. Okay, well, you kind of get the idea. You just hop up here and then do jump and the power up button at the same exact time. It makes you go like 10 times higher. And I'll show you the shortcut for, actually, that's it on intermediate. Thanks for watching. And watch my part 3 for the advanced shortcuts. Hey, what's up, guys? This is my tutorial for the advanced shortcuts on Marble Blast Awesome, aka Marble Blast Gold. So, first level, Thrill Ride. It's a pretty sweet level. First level of advanced. What you do? Kind of back up, double jump into that corner. Go up there. Oh, shoot. Oh well. You get the point. Do that. And then you just like jump back into the whatever it's called. And this one. If you haven't ever noticed this one, you're stupid. Jump. You just jump on each spot. Like so. Whee! Not supposed to hit that bumper, but whatever. You get the point. Next, we've got Amazing.
Ready, set.
But what you do, you just kind of jump up here and go down there. But I put an ending pad over here, so this is where I have to end. It also won't work. So, don't work for this.
Ready.
Just kind of go back towards this ending pad and just fall onto that edge. Go up here. Really cool. Once you get the gem, turn around. And then... Oh! Ugh. Dang it, that's hard. Oh well. And I have a video for Esker's Race. Esker's Race. You can watch that. And I also have another video for Plumber's Portal. You can watch that. Oh, for free fall, what you do? You just go to the left. And just kind of hit that wall. You just don't move. Just keep going. Once you get to the third spot, just kind of move to the right. It's really easy. Whirl. Like up there, you can get up there. You just kind of go really fast. But I haven't really mastered that yet. So you just kind of go boom, boom, and just kind of jump up there. Or you can just go over here and jump on the bumper. Like so. Just kind of get up there somehow. Not really good at that. Ordeal.
Ready, set, go!
Just go around here. Get that. Jump up. Wow. Sorry. Well, what you do, you just kind of double jump on that level that you were at, then you just kind of jump over here to this spot, and you can make it. Actually, that's pretty much it. Well, dive, I'm not good at that. But what you do when you come down this spot, that little loopy thing right here, just kind of go to the right and jump off the edge, and you'll go flying all the way down to the end, and it's pretty cool. So, thanks for watching. Comment, ask questions, and I'll try to get back to everyone. So, awesome.